guys, and welcome to my bathroom. Today we are going to be tackling some makeup that needs to be gone through and potentially thrown out.
This is currently what my makeup cart looks like.
I have this pretty basic palette. I love it, so I'm gonna keep that. I have this Candy Castle palette from ColourPop. It's not a very good palette. The colors are super light and not pigmented, so I think I just need to get rid of this one. I have my Avatar palette. I do want to keep that. I have this Tangled palette that I've never used, so I'm probably gonna keep that. And then I also have this Morphe highlighter, which is pretty, and my friend got me this for Christmas, so I'm gonna keep that. I didn't even go through my brushes in the first one. And while I was going through this, I found these like mini shadow crayons. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I've been wanting a foundation brush and I had practically a new one. So here are all the brushes I'm keeping, and here are the ones that I'm getting rid of. I have the cutest little Aqua Compact e.l.f. Luminous Putty, which I wouldn't have used before, but I have this other e.l.f. product similar to this that I really like, so I actually might keep this. This is a very old Wet n Wild blush stick. We're throwing that, tossing in Super Shock Shadow, but it's like crumbly. I'm gonna take a loss on that one. Oh my god, I've almost used this one to the bone. All right, I also have a Pixie Endless Sky pen. It looks blue. Oh, it's like a dark blue. That's pretty. Oh my god, the whole stick is like breaking. Oh my god, another piece broke off. And I also have Tarte Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. I think I like this. Okay, I have this very old Clinique palette. Used her basically to the death of my favorite colors, and I have one that replaces this. Also, this by. Now we are moving on to lip product. This is all lip stuff we're getting rid of. Eventually, it'll all be moved to a different cart, but for today, we're done. Thank you for bearing with me.